Well, the most likeliest area is near the town of Grindavik, halfway maybe between Grindavik and the Blue Lagoon. And the most likely scenario is a rather big eruption with volcanic lava, not an explosive eruption with an ash cloud as we knew in 2010. That's not very likely scenario. So the most of the plans are looking into protecting the people living in the area, and we have evacuated almost 4,000 people, so there is no one in immediate danger at the moment.
Because there was the very famous, obviously, eruption in 2010, wasn't it? And we had that ash cloud. Just explain how that's not likely to happen this time.
Yeah, in 2010 we had a volcanic eruption ongoing in a glacier. So it was a mix of water, ice, and volcanic lava, which caused the explosive ash cloud that as we saw. This time there is nothing like that. There is no glacier near the eruption site, so everything is in a much other risks, and most of the risk is from the floating lava to a lot of very critical infrastructure. The first one is, of course, the town of Grindavik, the home of almost 4,000 people, and then secondly, it is power plants which produce a lot of electricity, and almost all hot water for the southern part, so southwestern part. So it's a big critical infrastructure also.
Are you literally just waiting for the magma to appear then to know where it's going to come out? Because potentially it could come out under the sea, which I presume you're hoping for.
Well, it's difficult to use the word hope for a location of a volcano. Everything is a bad situation from now on. Scientists have told us that the magma is very shallow, a couple of 100 meters maybe below the surface. So now we're in this waiting period to see what happens.
Have they predicted when it might erupt?
We've been waiting for the last maybe 24 hours, 36 hours for it. And the educated guess would be hours, maximum days.
And how long is it likely to last?
That's also very difficult to predict. We have seen eruption in this area lasting as long as 6 months, but the two last was in 35 or 45 days. But the first one in this period in 2021 was almost 6 months.
And in terms of the impact, there's obviously the magma itself, but is there any concern about gases being released or anything that might go into the atmosphere at all?
Yes, in this area, when the lava is coming out, there's a lot of gas that comes with it. So that's one of the risks we are looking at, and that is in a similar volume as the lava itself. So we have the experience from 21 and 22 and 3 that some gases are coming with the lava. So that's one of the risks that we are trying to predict how it will be. And at this time of year, maybe it will be easier to deal with it because of this time of year in Iceland we have higher wind, so the likelihood of the gas kind of gathering in places is less than during the summer.
Okay, Vidar Reinesen,